Welcome Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about these 5 functions: if nulls, NVL, NVL2, NULLIF and COALESCE function. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snow site web UI. One request viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. So let's get started with if nulls and NVL function. In a Snowflake, if nulls and NVL function both is same and behave like same function. So let's understand this function. NVL function is used to replace null value with a specific default value. Here is the syntax NVL and expression and here put default value. Both functions have same syntax. Let's understand by example. Here I am selecting CA underscore zip from customer address table and this is schema. Here Snowflake sample data I am using. Here in this worksheet we set context Snowflake sample data underscore and tpch underscore sf1 schema. So we specify this schema by selecting customer address and limit it to 1000 for brevity. So we apply here NVL function and CA underscore zip and put here 0. Both customer data type and default data type should be same, so it's work, otherwise it's give error. Okay, if I execute this statement you can see the result. Both NVL and if null function both is same, and if here is null then it's return default value, if not null then it's return same value as CA underscore zip 44854 because it is character data type, but here put number, so convert all value to number by implicit data type conversion. Okay, if you put here then it's return same value, because if I execute this statement then it's return same value because this is initially character data type, and if you put here 0 only then it's convert to number data type, so it puts also decimal. Okay, if you execute this statement, let's see this statement. Here I am selecting CA country and use both NVL and if nulls to understand this function. Okay, let's see, if country is not null then it's return same value. If country is null, let's see here, then it's return as you specify in this parameter, second parameter. Okay, now if I execute with number like 1 2 3, then let's see here numeric value is in this column is not recognized, so I tell you that both data type should be same. Okay, okay, if I execute now then it's work. Okay, now you can see, let's see this example. Here I am selecting CC because call center data from TPCDS underscore SF10 TCL schema. Here I am selecting call center table. Okay, and record and date. Here it is data type, and we also have to specify it is date data type, and here we also specify date data type with default value 1st Jan 2000. So if I execute this statement, you can see the if record and date is not null then it's return same, if this null then return by default value. Okay, if you put here ABC then ABC is not recognized. Okay, because it is date data type, here put character data type, so it's not work this function. Okay, data type should be same. Now let's move to another function, NVL2 function. NVL2 function is used to evaluate an expression and return one value if the expression is not null and another value if it is null. So let's understand this syntax. NVL2 expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Three parameter it's take this function. So if expression 1 is not null then it's return expression 2. If expression 1 is null then it's return expression 3. Okay, let's understand by example. Here I am selecting CA underscore city from customer address table here, and we apply NVL2 function, and here take same column CA underscore city. If CA underscore city is not null, then its return city is specified. If it is null, then its return no city is specified. Let's execute this statement. Then you can see here, if it is not null, then its return first expression, first this one. If it is null, then its return third parameter, okay, which is this one, second default value, okay. Okay, this function is useful for handling null value in calculation and displaying default value when the original value is null, okay. Now let's move to another function, null if. Null if function is used to compare two expressions. If expressions are equal, the function return null, and otherwise its return first expression. Syntax is simple. You can put here, apply null if expression 1 and expression 2, here means column 1 and column 2, if both column match equal to, then its return null, otherwise its return first expression, means first column, you can understand. So let's understand by example. Here I am selecting city from customer address table. If CA underscore city is equal to Auckland, then its return null value, otherwise its return CA underscore city. First execute this statement, you can see here. Now Auckland match with second parameter, then its return null value, otherwise its return same C underscore city, okay. This function is useful when you want to replace a specific value with null. Now let's learn COALESCE function. COALESCE function is used to return the first not null expression from the list of expression. Syntax is simple. Here COALESCE function, expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, as on, means column 1, column 2 you can apply in query, and its return first not null value, okay. Let's understand by this example. Here I am selecting city, country and state from table customer address. If city1 is not null, then it's return first. If it is null, then it's return country. So first execute this statement. Here you can see this is not null, then it's return first one. Suppose this one is null and this one is not null, then it's written this one. You can see from this one is null, then it's written this one. Suppose both is null, then it's written third, here tx should be. If suppose all column is null as we select in COALESCE function, then it's written null. So this function is particularly useful for handling null value and provide default value when necessary. So that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching. One request, viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. Thank you for watching.